Welcome back. In this video, we'll see a cross tab tool, which is an opposite of transpose. Okay. In transpose, what we have done is we had this input data, which had the column headings. We converted into column values. That was a transpose option. Now, sometimes you do want to do a vice versa option. That is known as cross tab. Carefully observe the icons which are given here. This one is a transpose. Carefully see the icons, and this one is the cross tab. They are the opposite icons. Opposite icons. So sometimes you want to revoke the data for another purpose, maybe analysis purpose, we can do that. So this output anchor is given in this transpose here. Now if I want the data in the same fashion which I had earlier, how do I get it? So I can pick up this cross tab option, drag and drop into the canvas, and here I can group the data based on 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. These are the first 4 columns which I'm selecting. I don't want these columns to be changing. This should be static. Which columns I want? I want this name column to be transposed into column headings. Okay, name column. So from here, I'll tell them you need to change the column headers to the name option here. Okay, from this drop down, I'll select the option name. So it says it's fine. I will convert this column into name. Okay, I will convert this column into this name format here, this one. But the question is, what should be the data below those columns? The data should be a column named as value. So I can put values over here. So now to select a values, it is asking values for the new column. What are the values you want for a new column? So I'll tell them the name of the column is values. From this drop down, I can select the option as value. So I repeat, what we have done is we have selected the columns, first 4 columns, to keep it as it is. Name column will be converted into the headers, and this value column will come below those headers. And what is the type of aggregation we want? Do you want sum, average, minimum, maximum? So I'll say select as sum option. I will select the option sum and I can click on run button. When I click on the output anchor, I will get the data in the original format. Now you might have a question. We already had the data in the original format. You change into different transpose. Again, we got into cross tab. Why are we doing that? These are the examples which might be used in different use cases. So this was just a demo to show you. We didn't had an intention of converting into the same format again, but just to show an example, we have done that. On the left hand side, if you see, there are many different calculations you can pick up. So I can click on select all option and then click on run button. So when I click on the output anchor, I will get all the calculations which I've selected on the left hand side. Okay, if you see, we have the count without nulls and count with nulls option. Okay, that's it. So I hope you have understood how do you work on the cross tab tool inside Alteryx, and that's all for this video.